What kind of unmanned aircraft caused NATO to fear an attack on June 14, 2026? The answer reveals a new era of drone warfare that shocked military experts worldwide. On June 14, 2026, NATO detected an unmanned aircraft unlike any previously encountered. This stealth drone featured cutting-edge radar-absorbent materials and a unique low-observable design that allowed it to fly undetected over key defense zones. Its advanced AI enabled autonomous decision-making, making it a potential game-changer in attacks. Experts feared the drone could carry precision payloads or electronic warfare tools. This incident pushed NATO to urgently rethink air defense strategies and invest heavily in counter-stealth technologies. NATO's fear was fueled by the drone's ability to bypass traditional radar and defense systems. Unlike earlier drones, this unmanned aircraft could operate with high autonomy, making it capable of complex missions without human control. The threat of a sudden, undetectable strike on NATO assets or infrastructure raised alarms across member states. This event highlighted vulnerabilities in current defense networks and accelerated the development of next-generation sensors and drone countermeasures. After the June 14 incident, NATO dramatically shifted its military strategy to address the stealth drone threat. Investments surged in multi-sensor detection systems, combining radar, infrared, and acoustic technologies. New interceptor drones and electronic jamming methods were developed to neutralize stealth UAVs. The event marked a turning point, emphasizing that future air defense must evolve beyond traditional aircraft and missile threats to counter stealthy unmanned systems effectively. The unmanned stealth drone that scared NATO on June 14, 2026, revealed vulnerabilities in even the most advanced defense networks. It forced a rapid evolution in military technology and strategy. If you want to uncover more surprising answers like this, hit subscribe for daily insights into questions you never thought to ask.